Tuesday tip, let's talk about injury prevention. We know the number one risk of injury is previous injury. Let's make sure that injury doesn't even happen by following along with these tips. Number one, do a proper warm-up. Increase your heart rate appropriately, a dynamic warm-up. Get the tissue warmed up with some foam rolling, a massage gun. Get your coordination going to fire your brain, your neurodevelopment. If you're playing sport, make sure that your sport preparation, so you're getting your glutes activated if you're a hockey player, your ankles moving if you're a soccer player, all different kinds of things that you can include, and you can be smart about your warm-up. Then on the flip side, after that competition's done, let's think about your cool down. Let's go back to foam rolling. Let's do proper recovery so you can make sure that your body recovers. Let's talk about nutrition and sleep right after, making sure you get a nutritional meal, or maybe it's a protein shake, making sure that you're getting the proper nutrients in to recover and heal your body after that sport or after that competition. Number three, make sure you listen to your body. If you're feeling a little bit extra worn down, or maybe you got beat up during your competition, make sure you listen and recover appropriately. Seek your professional help, your healthcare, your chiros, your performance coach. Number four, invest in a coach. SPC is here to help make sure that you prevent any injuries from happening. Be strong to perform strong.